Hello all. So this is a continuation of the previous video with some other different machine learning algorithm, which is naive-based. With the same algorithm, we have worked with the different same data set. We have worked with the different algorithms like KNN, decision tree, and logistic regression. Now we are going to work with NB, that is naive-based from scratch. So initially, this is this code you would have seen in the previous video. If you would have seen the previous video itself, means you can see, or else I will just explain. So initially we are just importing the libraries which we are needed, like OS, warnings, then pandas, numpy, etc. Then we are calling our data set. This data set I downloaded from Kaggle, and then I am displaying the head of the data sets. Here you can see this is the head of the data set. It is having both numerical values and also categorical values, that is string values, but we are going to make the x variable and y variable only with the numerical value. So while declaring the x variable and y variable, for y variable we will declare this label, and for the x variable we will declare the sum of the numerical variables which are found, that is numerical features which is found in this data set. Then we are calling the info of the data set. Here you can see the by this we can get what are the, which is the type of the data set, whether it is what are the features or the variables which is having in the data set, which or what types, like integer or float or object. Mostly we are going to use only integer variables and object variables in this work. And then we are checking when in any null variable is having. So if it is null, means we have to work with pre-processing, but here we are not having any and null variable, so we are not moving with pre-processing. Then we are declaring the x variable and y variable, as I said previously. Like y variable we are making it as label, and the x variable we are making some of the numerical functions. And then by using this x variable and y variable, we are going to declare four other variables like x train, s text, y train, and y test, by using the library train, test split, and the testing sizes point to, that is 20% for training and remaining 80% for testing. 20% for testing and remaining 80% for training. So if you want some different percentage, means you can change over here. Then since we are in this code, we are going to display the XAI for every data set, that is every code. So we are making the line variable, line library also, and then declaring the explainer variable. And then apart from that, we are also declaring the variables, the libraries like accuracy score, classification report, and confusion matrix, to just get the values of those performance metrics values. And then we are making to making or a naive-based model from scratch. Here for that we are just making our Gaussian MP library, and then we are calling the Gaussian MP function within this variable NP. Then we are training the variable, training this Gaussian MP by using the fit and then fit function, and then training testing it is by using the predict function. And then we are declaring the accuracy score, and then making the confusion matrix to make like this is the confusion matrix for the naive based algorithm. And then we are making to display the classification report. So here you can see the accuracy is 70. So already with the same code we have done with some other algorithm like KNN, which is having a 90% accuracy, then decision tree which is having 93% accuracy, and LR which is having 72% accuracy. So when we are considering these four algorithms, you can see that uh, Database is providing the better results for this particular data set. It may change or may not depending upon the data set. So in this Database, in this data set, the Database is not providing better results when compared to the other algorithms like KNN, uh, uh, decision tree, and also logistic regression. And then we are making to display the explainer values for making to plot the this variable, that is XAI. Here we are making the number of features as 7. So if you want a different features, means in this case we have to make it as 8 or 6 as per your wish. So as like that, this graph will display, and also this list will also display for 7 features. So if you change that features to 5 or 6 means, in this case also it will change. Thank you. So in our next code, we will work with the different machine learning algorithm in the same code. Thank you.